Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make transparent emojis for your videos in CapCut. So here I'm going to just go to tags, add tags, and then just write the emoji. Okay, I'm going to just add these three, and then to make it transparent you need to go to the style tab and then scroll down until you find the opacity option. So to make it transparent, just lower the opacity and you can see now the emojis is become transparent. I'm going to just go with 40%, for example. Click on a check icon and that's it. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button. Bye.